Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome, but if you've been here before, good to see you again. In this video, we are going to be talking about how to make your own DIY facial serum at home with just a few ingredients. This serum is amazing because it's going to help you reduce wrinkles, it's going to keep your skin looking youthful, and give you an amazing glow, especially since we're coming into the colder months. So if you want to find out more on how to do that, just keep watching. So what you're going to need in this recipe are a few oils. So if you don't have these oils that I'm talking about, I will definitely leave a link down below. So you are going to need an amber glass jar, ideally. And the reason for that is if you don't use an amber glass jar and you use something that's transparent, the oils will actually start to break down and you'll lose the benefit. So I highly recommend when you're making this oil to get an amber glass jar. You're going to need rose hip seed oil. And rose hip seed oil is unbelievable because it's high in vitamins and minerals, and it's really great for just overall reducing wrinkles and just improving the overall health of your skin. We're going to use lavender essential oil, and lavender is great in this recipe because it's going to reduce inflammation and it actually helps to unclog pores, and it's really high in antioxidants, so we're adding that. We're going to use frankincense in this recipe, and frankincense is great because it actually is also high in antioxidants, and it really helps to regenerate and rejuvenate the skin. So the next is argan oil. Argan oil is unbelievable, one of my favorite oils that I use for my skin because it really just helps to improve the skin overall and reduce wrinkles. One of my other favorites that I've recently discovered in my essential oil journey is helichrysum. I always mispronounce that. But helichrysum is great for the skin because it's known as the everlasting or immortal oil, and because it promotes healing in the skin, and it is an amazing powerhouse. And then you're going to need a carrier oil, obviously, so you're going to need something to bring all of these good things into your skin. So I'm using jojoba, but you can use almond oil if you have it. You can use avocado oil as well. That also works great. And then the last thing we're going to need is vitamin E. You guys know I like to use vitamin E in a lot of my skin and DIY recipes, and the reason for that is vitamin E is just really great for your skin in terms of helping to heal and just repair it in general. So I'm actually going to use about 3 to 5 capsules in this recipe. Then all you want to do is basically combine it. So I'm going to try my best to do this without a funnel. We'll see how this goes. So you're going to need a teaspoon of rose hip seed oil. You're going to need argan oil, as I said, about 20 drops. That's about 20-ish. Helichrysum, like I said, you're going to need about 5 drops of this. Frankincense, about 5 drops. Oh, that's a little more than 5, but it's okay. All the better. Lavender, you're going to need 5. I've already added the vitamin E. And then the last thing that we're going to need in this recipe for the serum is our jojoba oil. So I'm going to eyeball this, but because my last attempt at trying to do the rose hip seed without a funnel was a hot disaster. So let's just see if we can eyeball this. Okay. And then you just want to give it a good shake, you know, to really get it mixed up very, very well. And I like to actually shake it each time before I use it as well, too, just to make sure that everything's well incorporated. And that's it. It is that simple. So let me show you what it kind of looks like here. I'm just going to put a little bit rub it in. I don't know if you can see that. Bad lighting, but hopefully you can see. Oh, it smells so good. And that's it. That is your DIY facial oil. Now, I hope you give this a try, because if you go in the store and you try to buy something like this, and there's a ton of different combinations that you can really find or make when it comes to these facial oils. So it's not like, you know, this is the one recipe. Literally, there's just so many ways to combine it. But when you go in the store and you look for an oil like this, you're going to pay anywhere between $25 and up. I've seen $25, I've seen some for $50, I've seen some $70, $80, I think I saw once. It was a company that had a big name on it, so of course they charge big dollars. But I will say, initially when you get these oils, right, it's an investment. You know, I will say it is an investment. But I will also say this, that these oils I purchased from Moutain Rose Herbs a while ago, like 2 or 3 years ago, and I still have them. Like this rose hip seed I still have, because when you use it, you really don't use a lot of it. The only thing I go through a lot of is my argan oil, but as you can see, this is from Trader Joe's, and I think I paid, I don't know, $10 for that. So it's an investment up front, but the number of products that you're going to be able to make in the long run is going to save you so much more money. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. So you can see how easy and simple it is to make your own DIY facial serum at home. If you found this video helpful and you want to see more videos like this, just subscribe to my channel, and that way you will never miss when I upload a new video each and every week. See you soon.